Yeah, boys. Yeah. I'm so cold, bro. Fucking 60 degrees and I'm dying. Fucking sunset's crippin'. Can't really see, but woo. Yeah. But he's going. But he's going. Bro. Trekking up the hill, about to bomb it. Fucking about to be sick. Walking up these hills, man. Woo. I don't know if I can get ya. Oh, look at that thing. Right. How steep. Oh, this is the one. Boom. Super big hill. Boom. Tired. Boom. Fuck. Oh, it's kind of lame. Slowly. Oh, we're spinning. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Oh shit. Little shrubbery. This is actually so sick. What a view. Oh, we go hit this fucker super fast. Whoa! Yeah! Here we go, come on. Oh fuck! Yaza.
What the hell?
Damn, brother.
The picture people. And then we just got the stupid people.
I'm zombie mode, mummy. I don't think move. Oh shit, we're good.
Oh, you can see yourself.
Yeah, they got a camera.
No.
How is it?
Yeah. Go to the faucet. Yeah.
There's Dawn, Quentin, Ella.
Oh my god.
No, we're gonna go play somewhere now.
What the fuck? Ow!
That guy's flying, bro. I'm like literally like. If I'm going off-roading in my Civic, I am terrified.
Try to fall back out of this. Yeah. Yeah. This guy's just fucking having fun with it. Bro!
We're so dumb, man.
Maybe a little.
Where's his nuts?
That one. This one right here, this one. Kick it, kick it.
Go kick it.
Go! Yeah.
Trying to look for the cave. I'm gonna follow the path until I find a cave. I don't know where it's at. This place is nice. Just hear that snow.
I did not mean to throw at you. I did not. I mean to throw at Moku.
Yeah, you did. Criminal.
Oh, it's someone's face.
We were so close to it the whole time. Yeah. Yeah?
Oh. Just hold on.
Yeah, but someone's in there. What?
That's a good thing, so that means it's safe.
That was not me.
It came from that way.
Okay, bye-bye. Why do you want to?
Yeah, why?
I need to.
I want to see that.
No.
Let's go.
Are we going all the way in?
No, just
No, we're just
gonna go right there.
Just to the flat area.
To the flat.
Go.
Wait, I need to fly.
Why are we doing this shit?
We literally were just watching scary movies last night.
Huh?
My phone's at 6%.
Okay, wait. I want to come down there. Wait. Exploring the caves. For my bright flashlight. Look at this. This is nuts.
Careful. Wait, who's backing out?
Are you okay?
Shit,
Hey, go in front of me. That's the entrance. Wanna go? You good? Yeah. Okay, wait, actually, no, get up on me.
That's huge. Is there a chandelier over there?
Holy crap. The entrance is no longer visible. Okay, go.
Is it the bike?
This is what it looks like without the light, okay? Go, everybody turn off the lights. Oh my gosh, bro. This is pitch. I'm free. Huh?
Your light better not die.
Flashlight, phone light's pretty decent.
We got a little bit more. Yeah. I'm only gonna go until we can't see you. Or we can see you. But this thing is nuts.
Why do they don't like exploring? Nah. Honestly,
Oh, look at this.
this is pretty sick.
Bro, it goes on for miles. Wanna go a little bit more? Alright, that's it.
Yeah, we gotta
I
cut
think,
it here.
yeah. Okay. That's the farthest we're going. But there's probably more. There's probably definitely like
We go
half a
around
mile
this
more.
We go around this bend and then we go back.
Okay. That's it. Oh
God, that's over there. I'm taking a few things.
come here. Come here. Huh?
This is huge. Huge.
This is nuts. Okay, wait, here. And here's the flashlight too.
Oh wait, fuck. Shit.
Okay, one more. Ready? Right there. Yeah. Bro. This thing is nuts. Okay, we're going back to the entrance. We're gonna cut it there. We left some people behind. I mean, it's only Moku and me. Bro, this is like...
If it was any smaller than this, though, I feel like I probably wouldn't.
Yeah. I mean, you could still stand up like decently.
Yeah.
In front of me? So I can see. Guy, wait, don't leave me in the dust. I'm scared too, buddy. I see the light. This cave was made by lava, bro. You good? Yeah.
Fucking sick.
Okay, we're getting out of here.
That's it.
Update. Snow update. Pretty good, pretty good. Well, these trains are a lifesaver.